Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the IICRC. Let's talk about the good things and let's talk about the bad things. So first of all, the IICRC is a trade association made out of many trade associations combined together to produce the right information that is standardized for everyone so it can be helpful to them. Number two is the IICRC has made more successful people, including me, than anything else in our industry. You wouldn't know any of this stuff if you were to listen to all the talk by people who have not even been certified, or even if they were certified, they didn't follow through or learn. Anyway, I think the other thing it gives you is confidence. The confidence you portray to the customer. It's not something you talk about. It's not something you need to say. The customers actually feel it when you're confident. When you're unsure, the customer is also unsure about you, about your quality. I've been a master textile cleaner for more than 20 years. And I'm also an IICRC instructor for more than 20 years. And I've been IICRC certified for more than 30 years. So I guess I could speak on this topic. The question really also is why would you not do it? Are you not gonna get certified? Are you not gonna take classes because some person who thinks he knows on Facebook said something about it? Probably something negative. There's another thing that you probably didn't know. Pick up a warranty. Look up Shaw Industries warranty. Largest manufacturer of carpet. Read it. Go into the professional cleaning area and you'll notice that it says that the carpet should be cleaned by IICRC certified firm. So what do you think is happening when you're not IICRC certified and you're cleaning something? Well, you're claiming the warranty, right? Also, this review wouldn't be valuable unless it also had the negatives. So let me tell you about the IICRC negatives. There's been many. Back in the days, IICRC used to be run by a firm that was contracted to be able to run the IICRC. They left that better company, and then the new company just basically destroyed it. So a little bit of the reputation was damaged because of the acts of the people who were brought in to manage it, who actually ruined it. There were long waiting times for certifications. There was lost paperwork. There were all kinds of issues developed. So finally they were removed. They were removed from their duties. So now the IICRC has its own staff. They're all trained better and are more caring because they work for the company. The company isn't a for-profit company. It's basically just a non-profit company. Let's talk about charging. When you're certified, you have the ability to charge more. When you're certified and something was to happen bad and you're called in to testify or you're in court for something, if you're certified by the IICRC, that tells the judge, jury, whoever, that you know your stuff. Otherwise, there's no way for them to know. Guys, it's a 2-day class, the carpet cleaning certification. 2-day. You spend your entire life going to school to learn. And for your career, you're not going to spend 2 days. Something that's already done, it's gift wrapped, and it's being presented to you. And you're still not going to do it. Because some unknown person, or a person who thinks they know, said something about it that may have been negative. A lot of these guys have resentment because when they got certified, they thought, hey, I get certified, I'm gonna have jobs fall from the sky. You know, it's still what you make out of it. You need to tell people, you need to educate your own customers. You want that level up. Average is not okay. Average is not going to be enough in this kind of economy where it's competitive and everything every day becomes harder and harder for you. Anyway, guys, just look into it. I have so many classes. I have online classes, I have in-person classes, I have hands-on classes for all kinds of things. Talk about hands-on. The upcoming class is September 15th. It's online, so you guys don't even have to go anywhere. You can just sit at home for 3 hours and learn how to do marble light restoration. It's extremely profitable. It will also give you a little bit more steadiness in your business. There'll be less ups and downs, and you'll also gather the right kind of customers, which is important. If you have a customer that fits your target market and has the kind of money to spend on your services for stone care, or also just even having stone in their home, they're probably a higher end client, and the higher end clients produce higher tickets for you because they have bigger places, they have a standard to maintain, they don't let things get trashed out, and they're busy. They got the money, they're just busy. So guys, it's your choice. You can struggle, or you can change that for yourself. Hey guys, here you get the bad with the good, because you need to know. And of course, I don't know because I've been certified for more than 30 years. And then the guy who hasn't even been certified, or the guy who was certified in 1996 and never renewed his certification, is an expert. He's an expert on the IICRC. Hey guys, that doesn't even make sense. Just think about it yourself. You know, just stop blindly following people. Make your own decisions. Do your own research. I have the fall schedule coming. Please keep an eye on it. There'll be all kinds of classes. Attend them. So what? It costs a little bit of money. So what? You have to take time off. That's time well invested. Why the heck did you go to school for 18 years? You know, so you could talk, you could function, you could do things that are required of you. And the same is true in your trade. And you don't need 18 years, you just need 2 days to beat the drum for the IICRC. No reason at all. I'm not getting compensated in any way from them. I'm just an instructor. And I am IICRC certified. So I'm also a master textile cleaner. I'm also a master fire. You just name it. There's a lot of things. On my personal story, well, let me tell you, it's one of my customers. Started about 7 years ago. It's one of the most successful companies. It's called Pro Carpet Care. I think you can look it up. It's probably around Short Hills or some of that area. Literally said the day he took the class was the turning point in his business. And the following year, after his class, he made triple of what he made. The confidence that he showed people, or people could just sense, can do that for you. It just doesn't happen when you don't know. It only happens when you know. And then my example, guys, you know, I started with $5,000. That's it, $5,000 that I saved up in 7 months, living with 2 people on a second story and carrying my machines up and down and having a little itty bitty Chevy Cavalier to go do my cleaning. And then eventually I sold my business and I got a lot of money, and then I, put it into Magic Wand Company to get supplies and stuff like that for you guys that are better, chemicals that are safer, machines that actually work. They don't break down like your normal off-the-shelf machines. The last thing that you probably didn't even know, which is probably by far the most important thing that happens in a class, it's the networking. Don't overthink this thing, just sign up. Go to Magic Wand Company. One of the categories is called classes. Click on that, look at the past classes, look at the future classes coming up. Register. Save your spot. In the past 2.5 to 3 years, There's not been a single class that hasn't been sold out. Make your plans. If you're coming from far away, tickets are cheaper when you buy them in advance. You can make plans to do things. You can bring your family, especially in the location where our office is just unlimited amount of things to do. You know, with 12 million people living around us, biggest cities in the world, 3 airports serving the area. So guys, I don't have any incentive to promote the IICRC. I just happen to be a teacher. But I'm just telling you the truth the way it is. And you take what you can out of this and make your right decision. I'll see you at the next class.
Hey guys, go to magicwandcompany.com, look for the category called Classes, and sign up.